Hey, this is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Chalk Couture. So today I'm going to be creating a pillowcase for you. And what I'm showing you here, this is our brand new Couture ink mat. And what I love is you see how flat the surface is on my pillowcase. Now you don't need to use these to create this design, but what I love about it is one side of our ink mat has like a sticky substance on it and allows you to flatten out your surface of whatever you're inking on and gives you a nice smooth surface. So I highly recommend it, but you don't need it. Now I'm going to also be using our silk screen reusable transfers, and like I had mentioned, our Couture inks. So our Couture inks today, I'm using it in black and gray, and our transfer is the dog transfer that is called Be the Person Your Dog Thinks You Are, and it is super cute. I'm actually creating this as a gift for someone, and also if you are local to me, I will be holding a fundraiser in the month of May for a local animal shelter. So stay tuned because we're going to be doing a fun workshop at that. So the process is, and just so you know, on the back of all of our transfers, it does tell you the process steps if you want to do this on your own. But you would remove your transfer from the packaging, you'll cut it apart. You want to write on the back of each and every part of your transfer, and the reason being, all of our transfers are reusable. So once you're done with your design, you put it in water, you clean it with a Clorox wipe, and then you store them for future use, where you can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. Now, when you apply your transfer to your surface, you just want to make sure there are no air bubbles within your screen print area. And then for this project, I will apply my Couture ink, remove the transfer, and then I have such a beautiful design. Look how great that looks so far. Now, you can be a part of Chalk Couture in many ways. You can be a customer and purchase right through me at chalkinwithjen.com. Or if you're local, you can host a sip and chalk or make and take. Or if you want, we are looking for designers all across the United States where you can turn this into a business, or if you want to do it as a hobby, you can do that as well. Now, what you're going to see me do here is I'm going to remove that ink mat because I want to make my design permanent. And all you're going to do is, again, get your parchment paper. You're going to iron it on both sides for 4 minutes, and your design is now permanent, where you can spot clean this or turn it inside out and put it in your washer and dryer. So I hope you love the end result. Again, chalkinwithjen.com is my website, and please stay tuned for some more fun, crafty videos.